Hello everybody. It's been a little while. I finally moved into my apartment in New York, and this happens to me every time. I feel really rusty trying to do a video, and I'm still trying to figure out how to do a good setup with lighting and stuff. I don't like the lighting in this video, but it's fine. This is also not the video I wanted to do originally. I don't know if you'll notice in the video, but I have like I don't even know how chalazion, I don't know. It's like a sty in my eyebrow. Probably really shouldn't even be wearing makeup, but I just decided to shop my stash instead of the original video I wanted to do, and I just used a whole bunch of old goodies, and I realized I hate powdering my makeup. I haven't powdered my face in like over a year probably, but I saw this Flower Beauty powder that's just sitting there and it's like ginormous. It's a huge container of powder. I haven't used it. I used it today. I don't like it. And also I just decided to use concealer as a foundation. But it's just gonna be a quick Smokey everyday look to music. easy. Literally 3 colors on my eyes using this very old LH Cosmetics palette, which I've come to realize I still kind of love, even though I've only mainly been using creams. But I really like this, and I like that the black is not like super black. You can build it, as you see me doing in the video, because I wanted it to be smokier, but it's fine. I probably should just use like my eyeliner as a base underneath, but it's fine. LH Cosmetics. I've had this since the start of the brand, which I don't even know what year that was anymore at this point. Yeah, and I just basically used 2 concealers, Too Faced and Fenty, to do my base, along with that Flower Beauty powder. I had to figure out what to do with that. I'm probably never going to use it again. And then Axiology for the lips. Found this Marc Jacobs cream highlighter thing in my makeup collection. Never used it. Really dry, it might be old. But yeah, any other little tidbits I'll just list in the, in that box down below that I'm spacing out on what is called info box. I'll just put everything in the info box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you like. And I hope my eye gets better. And I hope wherever you are, you're having a great day. Fabulous, awesome day. And today's Friday for me, so I have a day off tomorrow, so I'm really excited about that. And now I'm just rambling, but yeah, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.